how to link Facebook with Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our Facebook account or Facebook app. Now, we just have to go to our profile menu right here and click on Settings. Once we're on Settings, we just have to click on Account Center and click on the Profiles. After clicking on the profiles, you will be able to see every account, whether that may be Facebook or Instagram, that is linked to one another. So we just have to tap on our Facebook account right here and tap on our Facebook account right here also. Now you just have to make sure this is toggled on so that you will be able to sync every information that you have with another medium such as Instagram. So all we have to do is to sync our profile info with an Instagram account right here. And now every profile info has been combined from Facebook to Instagram. So that's how to link Facebook with Instagram.